Muscles are essential components of the human body that enable movement, provide stability, and contribute to various bodily functions. They are composed of muscle fibers that contract and generate force when stimulated by nerve impulses. Here's an overview of the muscle anatomy of the human body. Muscle types. Skeletal muscles. These muscles are attached to bones by tendons and are responsible for voluntary movements. They are under conscious control and play a crucial role in activities like walking, talking, and lifting objects. Smooth muscles. Also known as involuntary or visceral muscles, smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs, blood vessels, and other structures. They control involuntary functions like digestion, blood vessel constriction, and uterine contractions. Cardiac muscles. These muscles are specific to the heart and are responsible for its rhythmic contractions. They combine features of both skeletal and smooth muscles and function involuntarily. Muscle structure. Muscle fiber. Muscle fibers are the individual cells that make up muscles. They are elongated cells capable of contracting and relaxing. Fascicles. Muscle fibers are grouped together into fascicles, which are bundles held together by connective tissue. Epimysium, perimysium, and endomysium. These are layers of connective tissue that surround and separate various levels of muscle organization. The epimysium covers the entire muscle, the perimysium surrounds fascicles, and the endomysium surrounds individual muscle fibers. Myofibrils. Within muscle fibers, myofibrils are the contractile units responsible for muscle contraction. They contain sarcomeres, the basic functional units of muscle contraction. Sarcomeres are repeating units along myofibrils that contain overlapping filaments of actin and myosin proteins. The arrangement of these filaments gives muscles their striated appearance. Actin and myosin. Actin and myosin are the two primary proteins involved in muscle contraction. Actin forms thin filaments, and myosin forms thick filaments. The interaction between these filaments results in muscle contraction. Muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is initiated by nerve impulses that stimulate muscle fibers to release calcium ions. These ions activate the actin and myosin filaments, causing them to slide past each other and shorten the sarcomere. This sliding filament mechanism leads to muscle contraction. Muscle attachments. Muscles attach to bones through tendons, which are tough, fibrous connective tissues. The point where a muscle attaches to the stationary bone is called the origin, and the point where it attaches to the moving bone is called the insertion. In summary, the muscle anatomy of the human body is a complex system that allows for movement, stability, and a wide range of bodily functions. Different types of muscles have distinct structures and functions, and their coordinated actions enable the body to perform various activities.